Hi and welcome back to Food Related. In today's video we're going to test out our Perlite Hibachi number 3 and see how it goes. That is hot. So, found this handy little rack that we're going to use. I think it was out of an old oven or something, but it's perfect for this. I can even pick it up and down. Should be easy as. So we're going to just start off with a few vegetables, and we're going to finish with some rump steak today. Just got a bit of cabbage, a few mushrooms, and chuck a bit of garlic herb salt on it, and away we go. It's hot. Just stuck these skewers through the cabbage just to stop it falling apart. I've left the root end in just so it can hold together. Hopefully it'll go alright. The mushrooms are already sizzling. Getting that caramel char on the cabbage. You can tell that's pretty hot. That's only been on for a minute and that cabbage is already softening up. Oh yeah, look at that. That's what we're looking for, those little bits of smoke coming up. Going to give this lots of flavour. Obviously no fat in the cabbage, just the olive oil that I've put on it, and that's not really dripping much fat down onto those coals, but it does smell good. It smells good. Must be our homemade garlic herb salt.
Did you make it homemade?
Yep. Well, I think I'm definitely going to do this again. This is looking like it's going to taste very good. These mushrooms are almost done now. I don't want to overcook them. Keep the wife happy. Happy wife, happy life. So I might pull these off in a minute and then get our steak started. I'm literally just going to add a tiny bit of salt and pepper to the steak. Whack it on. Now we're using rump steak, so it's got a bit of fat in it and a nice bit of flavour. Alright, so these veggies are done. I'm going to pull them off. Don't want to burn this cabbage too much. We've got a little bit of char going on, but that's going to add to the nice flavour. Oh yeah, that one's soft. I'll definitely do that again. It's looking like it would be looks like it's going to be really tasty. So I'll get my lovely assistant to take these into the kitchen. Thank you. And let's season up some of this meat.
Can I put it on the table or?
Yep, you can put it on the table if you want. So as I said, we're just using a bit of rump here. Got a nice bit of flavour, we've got a bit of fat in there, a bit of marbling. And it's not too expensive. So I'm just going to hit this with a bit of salt and pepper. That grill is really hot now. So let's go. That's what we're listening for. We're listening for that sizzle. Yeah. So I like the idea of this hibachi because you could take this to the beach, you could take this to the park, you could take it to a lot of places and have a nice little cook up. Chef's piece. So let's see how long that takes. Alright, so this has had a couple of minutes. Oh yeah, that's what we're looking for. Nice sizzle on the fat. We'll probably cook this steak just medium rare. Keep the crowd happy. So we've got a nice bit of caramelisation, the Maillard effect on the surface of that meat. And what we're really going to get is that flavour from the smoke hitting the hot coals and puffing back up. That's really going to give that meat an unbeatable flavour. That is good. So if you can see me through the plumes of smoke, I'm actually really happy. I'm happy because it's cooking quicker. I remember previous videos we did with the old hibachi, it really did take a bit too long. So now we're able to get this meat or whatever food we're cooking really nice and close to the coals. It's getting that higher temperature. We're getting that nice caramelization on the food. And that's what we're looking for. That was the result we wanted. And as you can see, that's looking good. I think the charcoal could be a bit hotter. I've used some pretty budget charcoal here. If we were in Japan and we were being super traditional, you'd use binchotan, but that's super expensive. So this is just some budget charcoal. I think if you use heat beads, it would work just as well. But I am happy. I'm really happy with this result. So one of the really cool design features about this is that, you know, what have we been cooking for probably 20 minutes, 25 minutes? This is cold. This is pretty cold. Underneath, now I put a few little bits of wood here, look. You can see that. They are warm, but they're not hot. So I just put those under as a precaution. Don't want to damage our nicely varnished little bar top. But you could take it with you. It's lightweight and it acts quite well. And I'm pretty happy with our little makeshift grill. Now on to the taste test. All right, have we let it rest long enough?
Yes.
Yeah, you reckon?
Yeah.
Well, let's have a go. Oh. Taster? Okay, here you go. So you have to give it a score, 1 being the best, 5 being the worst.
1 being the best and 5 being the worst. 1.
1? Of course it is. Dad made it.
No, a -5.
The fat is amazing.
Oh no.
Probably been eating too much of that. We can have some more in a minute. So. Okay, so if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, smash that thumbs up. Helps the channel out a lot. It will help this video out. Now we had some really good suggestions of things to cook on the hibachi. We're going to try some bacon wrapped tomatoes, bacon wrapped jalapenos, bacon wrapped, you're getting the idea, a lot of bacon wrapping. So if you've got some ideas, please hit them, write them down in the comment section below. And I'm really happy. So for the flexitarians in the house, we're going to stick on a bit of halloumi, and I'll be interested to see how long this takes. We'll probably just get some nice colour on it. We don't want it oozing through the bars, but we love halloumi. Oh, being told in the background I need to season it. Salt and pepper, darling, or garlic herb salt? See if I can massage it off the bars. Yes, just. Oh. I want to keep that skin on there. Oh, must be a hot spot. Oh yeah, look at that.
Burnt.
No, it's not burnt, it's caramelised.
You don't know the taste of burnt.
Now what's funny is, the smell of this halloumi cooking is evoking some memories of childhood. We were lucky enough to go to Cyprus and having that halloumi cooked over grills, and I reckon they must have been cooking over charcoal as well, because it's a similar smell. And it's funny how smells bring back memories. Right, time to eat. Drop a comment down below if you have a food memory, a smell that evokes a memory from childhood, or something that's going to make us laugh.